Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students and aspiring app developers interested in Apple technologies tuning in. Learning Swift can help you build modern applications for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and other Apple platforms. Here's something helpful for you: Swift programming language skillset learning for students from Youthbuddy. Swift is Apple's modern programming language designed for safety, performance, and ease of use. It is widely used for developing applications across the Apple ecosystem and is suitable for both beginners and professional developers. The learning journey begins with the basics of Swift programming. Focus on variables, constants, data types, operators, strings, optionals, and control flow statements such as if-else conditions and loops. These concepts form the foundation of every Swift application. Once you are comfortable with the basics, move on to functions and closures. Learn how to define functions, pass arguments, return values, and create reusable code. Understanding closures is especially important because they are widely used in modern Swift development. The next stage focuses on object-oriented programming in Swift. Learn how to work with classes, structs, enums, properties, methods, and initializers. Understanding the differences between reference types and value types will help you design better applications. Memory management is another important skill. Learn how automatic reference counting, commonly called ARC, works and understand strong, weak, and annotated references to avoid memory-related issues in applications. As your skills grow, study Swift's error handling system. Learn how try, throw, and catch statements work, along with the differences between optionals and errors when handling unexpected situations. You should also become comfortable working with collections and generics. Learn to manage arrays, dictionaries, and sets while exploring higher-order functions such as map, filter, and reduce for efficient data processing. A major strength of Swift is protocol-oriented programming. Study protocols, extensions, protocol inheritance, and protocol composition to build flexible and reusable code structures. Advanced learners should explore Swift concurrency. Learn async and await, tasks, dispatch queues, and actors to create responsive applications that can handle multiple operations efficiently. Alongside language features, become familiar with the Swift standard library and foundation framework. Topics such as date and time handling, file operations, JSON parsing, and networking basics are essential for real-world applications. For user interface development, learn SwiftUI. Explore views, modifiers, state management, bindings, navigation, lists, and grids. SwiftUI has become one of the most important technologies for modern Apple app development. Practical projects are essential throughout the learning process. Start with simple programs, then build utility applications, data-driven apps, and complete SwiftUI-based projects to strengthen your skills. Career opportunities for Swift developers include iOS development, macOS application development, mobile software engineering, UI development, and cross-platform product development within the Apple ecosystem. Swift learning progresses from programming fundamentals to advanced application development. With consistent practice and project building, students can develop the skills needed to create professional quality applications for millions of Apple users worldwide. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the education section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.